Hello everyone! Today, we'll be discussing the top 10 fruits that can contribute to a bright and radiant face. These fruits are packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants, promoting healthy skin from within. 1. Blueberries. Starting off with blueberries, these tiny powerhouses are rich in antioxidants that help combat free radicals, contributing to a clearer complexion and youthful skin. 2. Strawberries. Next on the list are strawberries, packed with vitamin C, which aids in collagen production and helps brighten the skin tone, leaving you with a natural glow. 3. Oranges. Oranges are not only delicious but also loaded with vitamin C. This vitamin is known to boost skin health, helping reduce dark spots and blemishes. 4. Lemons. Lemons are a great addition too, as they contain citric acid that helps lighten dark spots and exfoliate the skin, promoting a more even tone. 5. Watermelon. Hydration is key, and watermelon is an excellent hydrating fruit. It's also rich in lycopene, which protects the skin from UV damage and supports a healthy complexion. 6. Mangoes. Mangoes, high in vitamin A, promote skin repair and renewal. Including mangoes in your diet can contribute to a smoother and brighter complexion. 7. Papayas. Papayas are another fruit rich in vitamins A and C. These nutrients aid in skin regeneration and repair, leaving your face looking refreshed and revitalized. 8. Kiwi. Kiwi is a vitamin C powerhouse. This fruit helps in collagen synthesis, reducing the appearance of fine lines and promoting a vibrant and youthful skin texture. 9. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with exfoliating properties. Regular consumption can contribute to a clearer complexion by removing dead skin cells. 10. Grapes. Last but not least, grapes, particularly red grapes, contain resveratrol, known for its anti-aging properties. Including grapes in your diet can help maintain skin elasticity. Conclusion. Remember, achieving a bright face isn't just about what you apply topically but also about nourishing your skin from within. Including these delicious fruits in your diet can contribute to a natural and radiant glow. Cheers to healthy and happy skin!